Hi guys, welcome to Mommy Me. In today's video, let's see how to make dry Rava upma. Let's roast the peanuts with some ghee. Let's set this aside and make the tempering. Heat a kadai and add some ghee to it. Once it becomes hot, let's add some mustard seeds. Once the mustard seeds splutter, let's add some crushed ginger. Once the raw smell fades away, let's add some green chilies. Let's also add some onions. Some curry leaves. Finally, let's add some salt and cook until the onions turn translucent. Let's set this aside. Let's roast the rava with some ghee until we get a nice aroma. Let's set this aside. Now let's boil some water and add salt to it. We can just taste the water and adjust the salt accordingly. Now let's add all the roasted items together to a big pan along with some coriander leaves. We are going to mix everything well. Simmer the flame. Now let's add the hot water and give a quick stir. The cooking process is going to take place for 5 minutes, so let's be extra careful. Now let's cover the pan with a lid. After 2.5 minutes, let's give a quick stir and cover it back again. In another 2.5 minutes, let's switch off the flame. Now let's give a quick stir again and add some coriander leaves if required. Now let's cover the pan again and let it rest for 5 more minutes before serving. That's it guys. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, like and share it. Subscribe to my channel. And follow me on other social media too. The links are in the description below. Bye!